come on now, dog. Come on.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be fixing a lot of things. We'll be fixing the backlight, we'll be fixing the door handle, I'll also be fixing the bumper. It's going to be a long day, see how it goes. Okay, now so we have the new light now. We have to like remove 10mm screws, then try and plug everything. I just have to plug the connector and slide it into place. So I have to like screw on the bolt. So after putting the screw, all you have to do is just screw it back on. We have the lights in. Now we have to fix the handle. It's out, but it's easy fix, and you don't have to be going all the way to open it anymore. To fix the door, you have to put the rubber guards. Then also there's a hole here that you have to like come in with your screwdriver and like try and push up the clip for the back of this that will hold this in place. So you just so I have it pushed, then all I have to do is slide this in. Yeah. So once I slide this one in, it has hooked on the clip, so that's all. You have the back side too, so this is easy sliding as well. So you have to do this like this. So there's an opening in the door, so after fixing this part, you just have to come and try and screw it on. So it's done. The old bumper is torn already. You cannot get it fixed or it will look absurd, but I have to remove all the important piece and transfer to the new one. The new one is like fairly used, not extremely new one, but at least let's make it look nice. The old bumper has a black grill. This new one has ash. I don't want the ash one, I would like the black one, so I'm trying to like pull this one off. So yeah, let's get it. We are trying to like remove this silver grills, put the black one. Then we'll change the fog lights to the old one. We already moved the fog lights from the old one, so we'll change it as well. And I think we are ready to fix the bumper. Also, we'll fix the where the screw will enter to connect the bumper to the fender. So this is the stuff. So we are doing this one too as well. So let's start with the easy fix. So it's held by clips. You just have to push the clips and push the stuff forward. So for the new black 10 pieces, it's easy, just push it in. So we have the grills in. We have to fix the fog lights now. So now I'm trying to like remove the fog lights. This one does not have any bulb in it, so I have to transfer the fog light of the old one, of the one to this one, and see how it goes. So I removed the old fog light. There's no bulb in it, so I'll just use the old one. Moving the fog light for the other side too. So we want to use the one that came with the car. So the fog light is out. So this is the one that came with my own. So I have to do is unscrew it. So it's easy fix too. Just slide it up, slide it down, push it in. So this one too slides in, and easily all you have to do is just pull it on back. think that's all on the bumper. So now we'll be fixing the headlights. The car didn't come with headlights, so I have the new headlight. Boy, I think it needs to be coded, but we shall plug it in and see the one that works. Then we have to go get someone with like all this their computer to code it in so it will work. So let's get started. Like we have to fix the headlight adjuster, so how high it balances or how low it balances. So it's easy plug and play. All you have to do is just plug this one here. Yeah, and this one too, on this other side. So the hose line up. Plug it in first. So easy. We have to start with this screw. This one is holding it in place. I fixed the screws under, so and I fixed this one, so it's left for one at this corner. So this is the screw. This is the second side. We fixed the other side. Okay, we have to fix the mount as well. So let's get the first thing is to like plug the connector. So we have the folder clear. Easy in. Yeah. We are starting with the stop bolt. So just hold the screw. Just hold it in place, then we'll do the under. So we fixed all the fender liner and like the ones for the under tray. The car is quite hard because the car is not raised, so a lot of stress. But now it's all fixed and it's usable. Probably when we go to somewhere that there is ramp, we tighten on the screw when we drop the tire. So we just have to fix the bumper now. So to fix the bumper is pretty easy. You just have to screw from under, then set it all up. So there are grooves to like all line it up or link. The headlight has like lines you can push it in. Then the bumper too, it has some clips you have to push it into. So I'm trying to push it them into the clips now, so it will hold it in top with the clip. Yeah. So I think that's all. So let's start screwing from the sides. So just trace here, try and set it up and just line up the bumper. So it's not hard, it's just this place. So let's do the other side. The bumper is in. I'm trying to fix the bolts and screw it on so we can fix the remaining sides.
Hold on.